Eucerin. These are the brand new Rhode blushes. First shade we're going in with is Juice Box. Let's just go directly on the face. Let's blend her out. This ash is bigger than me. Literally zooming in so you guys can see the sick work.
I'm gonna be completely honest, and I never once thought that Rhode was for yeah, for, you know, y'all hyped up Rhode products so much. I was like, let me look at this. Like, let me check this out. Immediately went on the website and I was like, immediately no. Immediately no. The shades are just too light for most dark skin tones. So it surprised me when all these like black girls had these like really fantastic reviews. And I was just like, is it me? Am I the villain? And then once in a while, you'll see some truthful reviews in there. And I was like, oh, see, like, I'm not crazy. Because first I looked at the pocket blushes. Majority of these blushes are going to be way too light and will appear ashy on my skin tone. So I was confused. So immediately I went to the site and I was like, this is not going to work. And I looked at those two lash shades and I was like, maybe. But for even my skin tone, I was like, that is way too light. Or it's not enough, there's not enough pigment, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, no. And I went to the popular peptide lip tints and I was like, that's not gonna work. Peach pit shortcake guava spritz. Yeah, on me, it's gonna all look like clear. Salty tan might be a contender. And like, they look cute or whatever, but it's gonna be like light. Like, there's not gonna be much pigment, you know what I'm saying?